Kitchen Transformation 2026. Why color is your smartest investment? In the world of high-end interior design, the kitchen has long evolved beyond a simple service area. It has become the emotional command center of the home. As the heart of the house, every element within it, especially the cabinetry, carries a dual responsibility: technical durability and visual authority that shapes the entire atmosphere of the space. As we move into 2026, choosing cabinet colors is no longer about following short-lived seasonal trends. Through our in-depth analysis of global lifestyle shifts and spatial psychology, color has emerged as a strategic investment. The right palette is what separates a kitchen that merely looks good from one that delivers character, presence, and long-term property value. We have curated the most forward-thinking color spectrum for 2026, blending material innovation with emotional depth. Below is an authoritative guide to the top 10 modern kitchen cabinet colors for 2026 that will redefine standards of luxury, comfort, and timeless appeal in your home. Color number 10, Warm Mahogany. Starting at number 10 is Warm Mahogany by PPG Paints. We are seeing a massive back-to-nature movement across the states. People are tired of cold, plastic-looking cabinets. Mahogany brings back the old money library aesthetic. This isn't the orange wood from the 90s, it's a deep, saturated reddish brown. To make this work in 2026, you need to pair it with green soapstone or high-vein marble. This color absorbs a lot of light. If you choose mahogany, you must upgrade your lighting to a high CRILED at 3000 Kelvin, or your kitchen will feel like a cave. It's about creating a moody forest vibe that feels expensive and grounded. Color number 9, Dorian Gray. At number 9 is the king of versatility, Dorian Gray from Sherwin-Williams. If you're looking for the best resale value, this is it. It has a light reflectance value, or LRV, of 39. This is the Goldilocks zone. Not too dark, not too light. Dorian Gray is a chameleon color. In a north-facing kitchen, it looks like a sophisticated gray. In south-facing light, it turns into a warm, inviting beige. The 2026 trend for this color is the tone-on-tone look. Paint your cabinets Dorian Gray and your walls a slightly lighter shade like Repose Gray. This creates a layered designer look that makes a standard builder-grade kitchen look custom-made. Color number 8, Narragansett Green. Number 8 is for the bold, Narragansett Green by Benjamin Moore. In 2026, navy blue is being replaced by these deep black and teals. This color is part of their historical collection, giving it an instant sense of quiet luxury. It looks different every hour of the day. To make this pop, you need texture. Pair it with handmade Zelliger tiles. The shimmer of the tile against the matte, dark green creates a visual tension that is incredibly Instagrammable. For hardware, use unlacquered brass. As the brass ages and patinas, it creates a historic high-end feel that is dominating New York and Chicago renovations right now. Color number 7, Garlic Clove. White isn't dead, it just got warmer. Meet Garlic Clove from PPG. In 2026, we are running away from hospital white. Garlic Clove is an off-white with a soul. It's the perfect choice for small USA kitchens or condos where you need to maximize light. It reflects about 76% of light back into the room. This is the go-to color for the organic modern look. Pair it with natural oak flooring and matte black accents. It bridges the gap between the living room and kitchen in open concept homes, making the entire space feel cohesive and twice as large. Color number 6, Halcyon Green. Number 6 is Halcyon Green by Sherwin-Williams. We are calling this the wellness color. 2026 is the year of the kitchen as a sanctuary. This smoky sage green has blue-gray undertones that are scientifically shown to lower stress levels. If you work from home and spend a lot of time in your kitchen, this is your color. It looks stunning when paired with fluted wood panels and butcher block islands. It's the Pacific Northwest aesthetic, clean, biophilic, and connected to nature. Avoid dark floors here. Stick to light hickory or white oak to keep that zen feeling alive. Color number 5, Swiss coffee. There's a reason Swiss coffee by Benjamin Moore is the most famous off-white in the world. It's the gold standard for high-end transitional homes. With an LRV of 84, it's incredibly bright, but it has a tiny drop of yellow and grey that prevents it from ever looking sterile. In 2026, the trend is to use Swiss coffee on everything: cabinets, trim, and walls, just changing the sheen. Use satin on cabinets and flat on walls. This monochromatic trick makes your ceilings look much higher and creates a seamless gallery feel that is perfect for displaying high-end kitchen appliances. Color number 4, Secret Safari. Number 4 is the PPG 2026 Color of the Year, Secret Safari. This is an earthy olive that represents the new traditionalist movement. It's for the homeowner who wants their kitchen to feel like an English cottage, even in the middle of a suburb. Secret Safari is all about texture mixing. Don't use a smooth backsplash, use raw terracotta or stone. And the hardware? Aged copper. The red-orange tones of copper are the perfect complementary contrast to olive green. It's a bold choice, but in 2026, bravery is rewarded with high engagement and a unique home identity. Color number 3, Hidden Gem. Number 3 is Bear's Hidden Gem. This smoky jade is a style shifter. If you use chrome handles, it looks industrial modern. If you use wood handles, it looks Scandi boho. In 2026, this color is replacing the tired navy and white coastal look. It's more mysterious, more layered. My pro secret for Hidden Gem? Pair it with white oak island cabinets. The warmth of the oak pulls out the green in the jade, creating a 5-star hotel aesthetic that looks much more expensive than the paint actually costs. Color number 2, Universal Khaki. Our runner-up is arguably the most practical cabinet color in America, Universal Khaki from Sherwin-Williams. This is what designers call an indestructible color. In real life, with kids running through the house, pets brushing against doors, and daily cooking chaos, pure white cabinets quickly become a maintenance nightmare. Universal Khaki quietly solves that problem. Its balanced greige tone disguises fingerprints, flour dust, water spots, and everyday wear better than almost any other neutral on the market. But practicality isn't its only strength. Visually, Universal Khaki adds weight and stability to a kitchen. It makes cabinetry feel grounded, architectural, and permanent rather than temporary or trendy. Real estate professionals often refer to this shade as the safe bet. It's neutral enough to appeal to nearly every buyer, yet refined enough to feel custom and designer-driven. It bridges classic and modern effortlessly. For maximum impact, pair Universal Khaki cabinets with black granite or dark quartz countertops, brushed steel hardware, and warm wood flooring. The result is what we call a high-end functional kitchen, beautiful, resilient, and built for real living, not just photos. Color number 1, Silhouette. And finally, the number 1 cabinet color for 2026, Silhouette by Benjamin Moore. This is the undisputed king of drama. A refined charcoal espresso blend, Silhouette represents the peak of moody luxury, a design direction where depth, shadow, and texture replace bright minimalism. In 2026, wealth is expressed through dark matte surfaces that feel soft, rich, and almost velvet-like. Silhouette doesn't just color a kitchen, it commands it. It creates intimacy, authority, and a cinematic presence that lighter tones simply can't achieve. To elevate this shade into viral territory, designers use what's known as the gold inlay technique, a thin brass strip placed between the cabinet faces and the countertop edge. This subtle detail turns cabinetry into jewelry. Lighting is non-negotiable here. You must install under-cabinet LED lighting with warm temperature. When light grazes the deep silhouette surface, it produces a jewelry box glow. Dramatic, luxurious, and unforgettable. If your goal is a kitchen that feels private, powerful, and unmistakably expensive, Silhouette is your winner. It doesn't whisper luxury, it declares it. In 2026, the kitchen is no longer defined by appliances alone, but by the emotions it creates and the value it sustains. Cabinet color is not a decorative afterthought. It is a strategic decision that influences how a space feels, functions, and ages over time. By investing in the right palette, you are not simply following design trends, you are shaping an environment with identity, authority, and lasting appeal. Whether your vision leans toward bold sophistication or quiet luxury, the right cabinet color transforms your kitchen into a space that works beautifully today and remains relevant for years to come. Because true modern design is not about what's fashionable now, it's about what still feels exceptional tomorrow.